శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖమహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Prathama Skandham, Suta Maharshi is disclosing Bhagavata Puranam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Parikshit Narendra, after he went back to his kingdom, he started regretting about what he has done to that Muni. He is also thinking that such a great Muni, he did not do anything wrong to me. Such a great Brahmagyani, he did not do anything wrong to me. Even then, I have behaved so ugly to him and I have done so bad thing to him. That is why Dhruvam Tato Me, for whatever the wrong thing that I have done to Brahmagyani, definitely there will be a dreadful grief going to attack me. In fact, I invite such kind of punishment to me. Only then, Edhana Kuryam Punarevam, I would not repeat these kind of bad things and I would not do these kind of wrong things to Brahmagyanis. And also that Brahmagyani, not only he is Brahmana, not only he is Bhagavad Bhakta, but such a great Muni. How did I do such big apacharam, bad thing to him? That apacharam, that bad thing, wrong thing, what I have done to him becomes such a big fire and going to definitely burn out entire of my kingdom, my strength and all my wealth and prosperity, everything. I am wishing that happens to me, I invite that to happen to me. Only then, Edhana Kuryam Punarevam, I would not repeat the same thing. I would not do anything wrong to Devatas, Brahmanas and cows. I have to get this kind of punishment now. Like that, Parikshit Narendra started repenting, regretting for all that he has done and also inviting a punishment for that. At that time, he heard that Brahmana's son, that Brahmagyani Mahamuni's son's curse. He heard about that curse. That curse is Takshaka, the serpent is going to bite and kill him very soon on the 7th day. So Parikshit Narendra heard about the entire curse and felt that Saha Sadhu Mene. He in fact felt that it is a good news to him. Parikshit Narendra felt like that and he started feeling that this curse definitely going to bestow a high level favor to me. I have been drowned in this mundane desires and mundane pleasures. Now this curse definitely takes me out of that mundane pleasures and diverts me towards Paramatma's devotion towards Paramatma, and definitely brings more interest towards Paramatma. Like that, Parikshit Narendra started taking that curse in a very positive way. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanaastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.